A very good afternoon, class 8th. Today we are here to start with the page number 71 of your literature book. Yesterday we have completed up to this page number 70 and I have told you to write at least 5 to 6 points about the things done by the following cartoon characters. Remember? So you will send me individually what you have written about these cartoon characters. See, do you remember these? I told you, I gave you this homework and everybody will write this themselves only. I will not help, okay? Because it's a cartoon character and you people can write it very well. So now we'll start with this, page number 71. Here we have the first term sample paper. Underline the relative clauses in the following sentences. I think in 7th class you might have done the clauses. What are clauses? A clause is a group of words that contains a subject as well as the predicate, both. Clauses are building blocks of the sentence. Clauses are building blocks of the sentence. So it's a group of words and it contains the subject as well as the predicate also, and they are called as the building blocks of the sentence. So there are two types of clauses. First is the main, or we call it independent clause, and the second one is the subordinate or the dependent clause. But here we have to underline the relative clause, right? So what are relative clause? First of all, we should know that what are relative clause. Now relative clause in a complex sentence, it does the work of an adjective. वो एक adjective का काम करता है complex sentence में. So it is also known as the adjective clause. तो इसे adjective clause भी कहा जाता है, ठीक है? So it works as an adjective. I think for today it is this much information is quite enough. When we will do the lesson of clauses, we will discuss it in detail. For today, I think this much is quite enough for you. Like I'll give you one example. He is the boy who come first in the class. Now he is the boy who come first in the class. Means here, who come first in the class, it is adding meaning to the noun boy. Right? He is the boy. आपको उस boy के बारे में पता चल रहा है. Who come first in the class. So just like adjective modifies a noun, hence the clause who come first in the class is an adjective clause or an relative clause. So now we will start with this. Underline the relative clauses in the following sentences. Mary has a stepmother who is unkind to her. Means main clause क्या है? Mary has a stepmother. Now here the word who is unkind to her, it is telling about, it is modifying the noun Mary has a stepmother. ये main clause है आपका. Fine. Stepmother है उसकी एक. Who is unkind to her means this is the main noun stepmother. उसके बारे में describe किया जा रहा है. तो who is unkind to her will be the relative clause. Is that the waiter who served us? That waiter. We are talking about that waiter who served us. Ostriches, kiwis and emus are the birds. ये birds, हम इनके बारे में बात करें. That cannot fly. Means we are talking about kiwis and emus, ostriches that cannot fly. So we these words, these relative clauses describing the emus, kiwis and ostriches. An aspirin is a kind of pill that takes away pain. Now it is describing about the pill, aspirin. Fine. So this part is the relative clause. Ankit returned to the town where he had spent his childhood. Return to the town. Town is here the noun and it is describing about the noun where he had spent his childhood. So with this is over. B part. Complete the following questions with when, why, where and how. Now you have to add this word where it is suitable. Dash are they always fighting. अब इसमें से आपको कौन सा suitable लग रहा है? How are they fighting? No. Where are they always fighting? No. When are they always fighting? No. So the suitable question word is why. Why are they always fighting? वो हमेशा लड़ते क्यों रहते हैं? Dash, do you spell the word night? When do you spell the word night? No. Why do you spell the word night? No. Where do you spell the word night? No. How do you spell the word night? Means आप इस word को कैसे spell करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे how suitable है. Dash did he नहीं है बच्चे, ये the है. Dash did the robbers hide the treasure. So ना तो why लगेगा ना when लगेगा. When did the robbers hide the treasure भी हो सकता है कि उन्होंने अपना treasure कब hide किया, but ये ज़्यादा meaningful नहीं लग रहा है जितना where did लग रहा है. कहाँ पर किया. Where did the robbers hide the treasure. When भी गलत तो नहीं होगा, पर where सबसे ज़्यादा suitable है. ओके और इसको the बना लेना, ये the है. Dash does the summer season begin. कब शुरू होता है, तो इसमें हम स्टार्ट करेंगे when से. When does the summer season begin? Then the next. Dash are you going to New York? New York के भी स्पेलिंग यहाँ गलत है, YORK होता है बच्चे. Lot of misprinting is there in your books. So here when ही सूट करेगा. Why are you going to New York? That is also fine. ठीक है ये भी. Why are you going to New York? ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. यहाँ why भी आ सकता है. Why are you going? Where are you? No. How are you going to New York? अब how तो बच्चे एक ही ऑप्शन है. You can go to New York by aeroplane only. So when या why में से ही लग सकता है कुछ. ठीक है. When are you going या why are you going? Both can be suitable. Now here we have given the sentences and you have to write the kind of sentence. What a delicious cake. It's an exclamation because an exclamation sign is there and it is showing that means the person who is having it having a look at the cake and he is exclaiming, he or she is exclaiming, what a delicious cake. One identification mark is the exclamation mark. Why are you sitting there? Question mark. So simply it's a question. Help. Again this is exclamation. Tell me how. Question. I am watching for words. It's a statement. आप declare कर रहे हैं कुछ. I am watching for birds. It is simply a affirmative statement. Declaration. Declarative. Don't make a noise. It's an imperative sentence because in imperative you give advices, you give commands, orders. So here it is like a order only. Don't make a noise. Now here rewrite the following sentences as directed. Mr. Ankur bought a car. He bought a car and we have to add the adverb of how, means manner. ठीक है. Tells how. Mr. Ankur bought a new car. Mr. Ankur bought a new car. ठीक है. It tells about the adverb of how. Soldiers fought in the war. Again we have to write how. कैसे उन्होंने. यहाँ पे how नहीं होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे कुछ और होना चाहिए. चलो पहले The soldier fought in the war. Adverb that tells how means manner again. How the soldiers fought. So they fought bravely. So I have added this word bravely here. Bravely. Shiva come to help us paint the house. We have to add the adverb of when. ठीक है, तो हमने इसमें when ऐड करना है. शिवा कम टू हेल्प अस पेंट द हाउस ऑन द वीकेंड मीन्स वो वीकेंड पे आता है हमारी हेल्प करने. द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग. वेयर वी हैव टू ऐड वेयर. आउटसाइड. द बॉयज आर प्लेइंग आउटसाइड. द मैगजीन इज पब्लिश्ड. फ्रीक्वेंसी बतानी है हमें कि मैगजीन कितनी देर में पब्लिश होती है. हाउ ऑफन. सो द मैगजीन इज पब्लिश्ड वीकली, मंथली, ईयरली, वट एवर यू फील लाइक. लेडी सॉ अ जिराफ. वी हैव टू ऐड एन एडजेक्टिव. कैसा जिराफ देखा उसने. एडजेक्टिव ऐड करना है ना हमने जिराफ के लिए, तो मैंने लिख दिया बेबी जिराफ. आपको कुछ और लिखना है जिराफ के साथ तो आप लिख सकते हैं. रनिंग जिराफ भी लिख सकते हैं या ईटिंग जिराफ भी लिख सकते हैं. मैंने बेबी जिराफ लिखा है. आर द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब्स. Are the following words adjective or adverbs? Tick the correct box. Then write a verb that can be used with each of the adverbs. Each of the adverbs and a noun for each of the adjectives in the blank spaces. Now the first one they have bravely. Bravely means उन्होंने verb इसको adverb बना के fought bravely कर दिया है. ठीक है, adverb बना दिया है. fought verb आ गया ना, तो ये adverb बन गया. Because adverbs modify the verbs or an adjective, but adjective modifies the nouns. Means जो adjectives हैं वो noun को describe करते हैं या modify करते हैं, और जो adverbs हैं वो verbs को modify करते हैं. This is the difference. Ugly. Now the word is ugly. Ugly face or ugly duckling. So it is an adjective. Ugly duckling. Heavily. Heavily is again a verb. So मैंने उसके साथ rained लगा दिया and it is an adverb. Now we'll come at the page number 72. The word is lovely. Lovely. Lovely can be the face, can be the dress. So I made it lovely dress and it's an adjective. Curly. Curly hair ही होते हैं, और क्या होता है curly. So it is also an adjective. Friendly. Friendly person. Again it is an adjective. Okay. Now we will study the sample of the telegram. Here is a telegram and you have been given the sample. Okay. So you have to study the sample and likewise you have to write here the telegram. Here write a telegram to your friend Amit residing in Amritsar informing him about your के यहाँ spelling गलत है, inability to attend his marriage due to your appointment in a new company where you have to join immediately. So promise him that you will reach there as soon as possible. Do not exceed 25 words. So here the receiver's name Amit, address, and उसके बाद आपने मैसेज अपना लिखना है, बिल्कुल ही मिनिमम वर्ड्स 25 से ज़्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करने चाहिए, एंड इट शुड बी इन द कैपिटल लेटर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही हैज़ कंग्रेचुलेटेड हिज फ्रेंड ऑन हिज मैरिज. कंग्रेचुलेशंस आपने एक सेक्शन में एक ही वर्ड लिखना है, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन मैरिज. हियर यू विल स्टॉप. अनएबल टू अटेंड मैरिज, स्टॉप. Joining new company immediately, stop. Will come soon. उसने अपना नाम लिख दिया नीचे, sender's name and your address also. So this is the simple format of a telegram, and here you have to send a telegram to your father, like you are Raman and you have to leave for Delhi on 15th of Feb by Rajdhani Express. He misses the train and he gets stranded in the traffic jam. His father was expected to pick him up from the station. He sent the telegram to inform him that he would now reach at 7 p.m. at New Delhi station by Shatabdi Express instead of, I don't know what this has been written, at AM, and at Old Delhi station on 16th Feb. Copy the given format and write the telegram on his behalf, 25 words. Now here we have written his father's name, write any name, Mr. Ravi Sharma, whatever the address, कोई भी आप एड्रेस यहाँ लिख दीजिए. Write it in the capital letters. Missed the train. Okay. Write down, missed the train. Stop. Will reach New Delhi station at 7 p.m. on 16th February. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा आपका इसमें आएगा भी नहीं. तो मेन आपने जो है अपना मैसेज भेज दिया. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं, अगर आप कोई अननेसेसरी जैसे इसमें था स्ट्रैंडेड इन ट्रैफिक जैम, अब नहीं इसमें ऐड हो रहा, तो जो मेन है आपका जो मैसेज है वो ज़रूर डिलीवर हो जाना चाहिए, चाहे बाकी बातें रह जाएं. तो मेन मैसेज क्या था, मिस द ट्रेन, कि मेन उसने ट्रेन मिस की है. Will reach New Delhi station in spite of Old Delhi station at 7 p.m. वो पहुंचेगा, ठीक है, on 16th February, और वो 16th February को पहुंचेगा. ठीक है. So that's it. Write the sender's name and his address here. So with this we have completed this page number 72 and unit 3 also.